This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make landing legs in SFS. First, understand that landing legs are crucial for safe planetary landings. They absorb the impact and prevent your rocket from tipping over. Begin by selecting the structural parts that will form the main body of your legs. Ensure these parts are strong enough to support your rocket's mass. Think about where your rocket's center of mass is located. To build retractable legs, start by attaching hinges or pistons to your rocket's main body. These components will allow your legs to extend and retract. Next, connect structural parts, like fuel tanks or structural panels, to these moving components to form the actual leg. Make sure the parts are aligned correctly. Finally, assign an activation group to control the deployment and retraction of your landing legs during flight. For maximum stability, reinforce the joints where your landing legs connect to the rocket. Use structural panels or struts to add strength and prevent them from breaking upon impact. Ensure the weight of your rocket is distributed evenly across all legs to maintain balance during landing. Adding small landing pads at the very end of each leg can also improve ground contact and reduce the chance of slipping. Always test your landing legs thoroughly in different environments, including varying gravity and terrain types, before a critical mission. This helps identify any weaknesses in your design. For extremely heavy rockets, consider implementing a two-stage landing leg system for added support. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This will help you keep your space center clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.